Hello, Hearties, and welcome to episode 9 of Heart Talk. And today, we are excited to introduce to you our special guest, who is the CEO of Genesis Verde Firma Agri Supply. She's talagang mukhang hindi lola. But she's a grandma of one, believe it or not. And before that, we'd like to share with you this topic. From parent to grandparent, new chapter, new joys. Episode 9 of Heart Talk. So, now, shall we call on our good friend, again, the CEO of Genesis Verde Firma Agri Supply, Miss Marilu Lau.
Hello, Hardies. Good afternoon.
Yes. Hello, Hearties. And of course, our Gen Z talkers are here with us pa rin. We have Strong Dermal
Hello, Hardies.
and Ezekiel Dermal.
Hello, Hardies.
And, oh,
Yeah, well, I have a question to the audience. No? So write down your answers in the comments below. Totoo bang mas mahal ng grandparents ang apo kaysa sa anak? Write down your comments down below.
marami magpoprotesta dito na anak, no? Totoo bang mas mahal ng lola ang apo kaysa sa anak? Totoo ba yun?
Ako
In the case nung mga anak mo, for example. Hindi yung sa'yo, hindi mo na yung sa'yo,
What do you mean? Kung mas
Yun-
mahal?
Halimbawa, yung mga anak mo, apo sila
Yes.
Diba? For
Oo,
example.
oo.
Totoo bang mas mahal yung apo kaysa sa anak? Pwede ba yung ganun? Hindi. Sa tingin mo lang.
I'm sorry, honestly, hindi ko masasagot yan. I think it's our children, it's yung mga anak ko lang who can answer that question. Kasi sila ang nakaka-feel kung talagang love sila ng mga,
Okay.
di ba?
Oo.
Opo.
Okay.
Yan.
Sige. Tuloy na naman natin. Okay. As a wife, ano naman si Miss Marilu Lau as a wife?
Ako, Ma'am Chi, as a wife, kasi I grew up in a broken family.
Ganun. Okay.
So, I would never let this family be ruined by anything or anyone. Talagang kahit whatever
Ilang
happens.
years na ba kayo?
Going 30 years next year.
Oh, wow naman.
30 years.
Oo.
Opo, 30 years. Maraming mga challenges, maraming mga trials din. But talagang sinubok kami ng panahon. And ako as a wife, talaga naman supportive naman ako sa husband ko. And nagtutulungan kami. I don't want na sa bahay ka lang at siya magtatrabaho. Ako, gusto ko tulungan siya to be able to provide for the needs of our children. Sabi ko, let's do it together. Let's work together. Kasi kung ako ang may opportunity, tapos ikaw wala, it's okay. Kung ikaw ang may opportunity, ako wala, I hope it's okay to you also. Kasi ako naman ang gagawa ng mga needs ng mga bata.
Ayun.
We have to balance that.
Kayo naman. Sige, para baka mamaya mag-yon na sila. Okay.
Mhm.
Ang galing Gusto ko yun na mabilis siya ang ating usapan. Okay, Strong. As mga grandchildren naman, do you feel that you're loved by your grandparents naman?
I mean, I feel loved by my grandparents, obviously. Growing up, yeah, like I have very fond memories of my grandma and my grandfather, your parents. They
And Mama Da.
yeah, and Mama also, but yeah, but whenever like we were at their house, like they always like offer us like food and treats and like, uy, like, oh, you're so thin, eat more, go, go, go.
Ay, kakapakain. Yun, maglalakihan yung mga bata. Ganun. Ikaw,
Yes.
Ezek. You're the first apo. You were the first apo.
So,
sa side namin.
as the first apo, I was actually very spoiled by my grandparents. No?
Oh.
Actually, not many people experience this kasi ako yung pinakaunang apo Pero dati talagang pinag-aagawan ako kasi ako lang yung baby.
Ayan.
So si Momski, my grandma, she would always bring me to work.
Sa
kasi,
PT mo.
kasi gusto niya kasama ako parati.
Niyaya,
yung apo.
tinutulak-tulak.
Yeah.
Tapos pupunta kaming States, kala mo naman doon natitira. Umiiyak silang lahat. Iiyakan sila. Sisigi.
Yeah.
Kala mo hindi nababalik buwan lang. Isang
I
buwan
think,
lang yata.
I think, Ma'am Che, yun ang nakakatakot.
Mm.
Yun ang nakakatakot na being a grandparent. Yung parang, syempre, excited ka and then you're investing your time, emotion, everything, no? Tapos one time kung ilalayo sa'yo, I think that's the, yun yung
freak
first
out.
experience.
Teka, sige na nga, hindi mo na matiis
Diba?
As first time lola na siya pero ang ganda-ganda pa rin. No?
Thank you, Ma'am Che.
Okay. Sige, as first time grandma, ano yung experience? Unang nakita mo siya.
Oh my God. Una nung makita ko siya talagang overwhelming, sobrang happy.
Alam
It's
ka,
a
sabi mo,
magical
anak ko to.
feeling. It's a
Feeling mo,
magical
anak ko.
feeling kasi
Oo.
honestly, Ma'am Che, pinag-pray ko yan. Since hindi ako na-bless ng baby girl, di ba? Hindi kami na-bless ng baby girl. The moment we knew na, yun,
Babae nga pala,
my
pala.
son got, parang nabuntis niya yung kanyang girlfriend, no? Nung una, hindi, sa totoo lang, no, not pala over, nung malaman ko pa lang, nung makita ko, nung malaman ko pa lang, nandun yung fear.
Kasi din palang
Nandun
alam,
yung
di
fear
ready.
kung kakayanin ba niya, kung
Mm.
ready ba siya. Kasi alam ko yung hirap ng buhay, di
Oo,
ba?
tama.
So, nandun naman tayo, hindi naman tayo nagkulang. But then again, nung nalaman na namin, every day, my prayer to God, sabi ko, Lord, give me exactly yung face na gusto ko. Yun talagang
Ang
binigay
cute
ni Lord.
kaya.
God is good talaga. Sobra.
Oo,
Sabi ko,
cute.
thankful ako. Kaya sabi ko, Lord, talagang you answered prayer
Anong
talaga to.
pangalan? Amari.
It's Do Amari. Actually, hindi akong namili.
Kala ko ikaw pa eh.
Hindi, kaya nga sabi nila, sabi nila, bakit Do Amari? Kasi Marilu. Kabalik, parang yan
Oo nga.
ang name ko. Sabi nung manugang ko, yung daughter-in-law ko, sabi niya, Ma, would you like, sabi niya, mas gusto mo ba to? Kasi naghahanap ako. I'm just trying to help. Tapos sabi nila, Ma, ito yung napili namin. Nung tinignan ko, bakit yan? Baka sabihin. Kasi
Ikaw
nahihiya ako sa mama niya.
baka sabihin kinuha yung
Diba?
pangalan.
Baka, oo. Tapos sabi niya, hindi, yan ang gusto namin. So, yun, hindi pa nila, nung nalaman na baby girl ha. So, super excited talaga ako. Lalo, the more nung nakita ko, Ma'am Che.
Ilang months na ba si Amari?
2 going on 3.
Grabe, ba't ganun? Parang nakikita ko, nagsasalita na yata.
Super, I think, super
23
laki
months
niya.
lang pala
Every
yun.
time dadaling ko siya sa pedia niya, sasabihin,
Nagugulat.
above average siya height, yung ano niya, yung weight niya, magmalapit na mag-weight. Saka kasi breastfeeding kasi siya eh. So,
Ang cute kaya. At saka
Oo.
kamukha mo.
sabi nila, pero I think kamukha talaga ng anak ko. Because
kaya nga,
nung
oo.
baby pa yung anak ko, is kamukhang kamukha niya. Parang female version lang si Amari.
So, how is it, no? Being grandma. Paano ba yung feeling? Describe mo nga, at saka ano yung...
Para sa akin lang siya, undescribable. Nung naging first time mother tayo, iba. Happiness, excitement, lahat nandun. Nung makita mo yung apo mo, parang talagang magical feeling, like parang wala ka talagang masasabi kundi parang thank you Lord, lalo nung nakita ko yung apo ko na syempre parang it's a new generation that comes from your child, parang may continuity na para sa akin.
Ano ba yun? Ipaki-explain nga, totoo bang mas mahal ng ikaw, ng lola, ang apo at ng anak? Paano mo explain
I
mga
cannot,
ganong
ang
mga...
explanation ko dyan, parang siguro, maybe, but then again, kasi ikaw as a parents also, it's a different form of love. Iba ang love natin sa mga anak natin, hindi mawawala yan. But iba pag dumating yung apo na, because parang ang feeling mo, magkakaroon ng continuation. It's a new generation. No, that it's something like a love that blossoms that comes from your child. 'Di ba, Ma'am Che? Iba yung feeling. So sabi ko always, kasi nung ako, okay, parent ako, parang kung ikukumpara natin, nandyan, gagawa tayo, magtatrabaho tayo, we'll provide everything. Pero ang apo, nung dumating na siya, lahat na lang yes. Lahat na lang yes. Parang gano'n. Parang nabubudol tayo.
Nabubudol ka. Okay.
Kaya,
Okay. Kayo naman, how do you reciprocate the love of your grandparents? Do you show your love also sa grandparents nyo?
Yeah, of course. I think one way to show love to your grandparents is like to just simply spend time with them, you know?
Yes.
Because
that's true.
yeah, like we are like our parents' kid, and like so we're basically almost strangers to our grandparents. So like the more we hang out with them, we're just like showing the love we're giving back to.
The time is really very precious, no? Para sa mga grandparents. So, di ba, pagka weekends, minsan pumupunta tayo sa farm, kahit ang layo ng biyahe, kahit wala namang gagawin doon, sa totoo lang. Pero yung banding nyo, nasa sakyan kayo, no? Yun lang, yung kwentuhan nyo, haba-haba ng biyahe. Tapos, that in itself, sila naman, nakaupo lang ganyan. Yung time na you spent, no, with them is precious talaga para sa kanila.
Tsaka I think, Ma'am Che, magkaiba naman ng level of love ng grandparents sa apo at saka sa ating mga anak. Kasi being a grandparent, yung sa atin lang, nandun lang tayo parang, kasi may parents naman siya. Nandun lang tayo to, I think, to guide and to parang, we don't directly have the yung responsibility. Nandun lang sila to, parang nagbibigay sa atin ng joy but not totally. Unlike sa parents' love, it's more deep. There's more sense of, para sa akin, sense of responsibility natin as a parent sa ating mga anak. Because there should be a continuous care to nurture the child into their adulthood. Magkaiba pa rin kasi yung pagiging lola natin andiyan ayokong mag-step parang overboard.
Oo.
So kung how are they as a parents, ayoko yung makakalaban ko sila because we have to respect their own
Oh,
rules.
nakikipag-agawan.
Yes.
Oo.
We should always respect their own rules kasi as a parent, meron din sila sigurong way of how they will raise their children. So ako naman, I am just trying, kinokontrol ko rin, but syempre sometimes gusto natin ito. Now what I do, Ma'am Che, is parang ang lagi ko na lang sinasabi, pwede ba to?
Ayun.
Ganon.
Paalam pa rin.
Paalam pa rin. Gusto mo ba to? We have an agreement na whatever it is, kung may disagreement or what, pag-uusapan palagi for the welfare of the child. Yun lang lagi ang importante sa akin eh.
Ikaw naman, Zik, how do you reciprocate your love for your grandparents?
Well, spending time is one. Yung kwentuhan. And of course, yung mga grandparents, talagang gusto nila malaman what's going on with your life. So, syempre,
Napaka-curious nila, no?
Kinikwento ko yung whatever's going on with my life. Tapos, syempre, I also wanna show my love by doing things for them. For example, pag kailangan nila ng driver, pwede naman ako.
Oh,
Pag,
that's true.
pag bumibisita ko sa bahay nila, momski nila, dadski, I wash yung pinakainan ko man lang, you know. And also, one important thing is to always show gratitude, you know. Because whenever they feed you, whenever they give you things, that's an act of love. And you should always show that, hey, thank you, and I love you, and I appreciate.
Wow. Kasi sila very vocal naman yung dalawang yan eh. Parang normal na sa bahay namin. Alright. Ang bilis talaga ng oras, ladies and gentlemen. At for sure, marami kayong natutuan. Buti mabilis magsalita ang guest natin ngayon. We'd like to thank our sponsors and our partners. Of course, Organic Nature, Inner Glow. Thank you so much. Yan daw ang collagen yan. Bibigyan kita mamaya, nagpapaganda.
Thank you, Ma'am
Okay.
Che.
Okay, meron din silang yung ginamit din natin na makeup, of course, is from Organic Nature. So, pagpunta nyo po sa site ng Organic Nature, purchase any product from there and just write Heart Talk, all caps na Heart Talk. Okay, and then 10% off kayo doon. Alright. And also, we'd like to thank Studio C H Reverse Trio, Studio C H Reverse Serum, Studio C H Reverse Facial Foam, Studio C All-in-One Cream. We'd like to thank as well Absolute Drinking Water. Meron pa rin isang water, yung Summit also, thank you. Both from Asia Brewery. Thank you so much. And ano pang thank you? Tolak Angin. Tolak Angin, we have this. Ininom ko kanina. Kasi para dito sa boses natin. Of course, Tolak Angin, mint honey herbal supplement. Okay. Meron ding Tolak Angin anak for the bata. We have the Tolak Angin, the roll on, and the Tolak Angin lozenges. And my book. Okay. Please, maganda yan. Hindi sa maganda yan. Ginawa ko yan actually. That book, trivia lang. Yan yung tipong legacy ko para sa mga anak ko. Yan ang gusto ko ibigay sa kanila. Yan yung mga pangaral na parang Haring Solomon, ano? Yun yung pieces of advice ko to them, nilagay ko sa book. So, Tactical Brilliance 1 and Tactical Brilliance 2 na po tayo. So, book 2. Mga nandyan ay nilagay po natin dyan. And then, we also have Tales of Commander Mrs. Ang Wife ni Chip. Ang daming thank you. Thank you, Bagong Pilipinas. Bagong Pilipinas Studios. What else? Thank you, Presidential Communications Office, and thank you, everyone. Okay.
Yes, we would also like to thank the production team. We have our team leads, Mark Anthony Maban, GR Macale. We also have our camera operators, Mark Jason Nel Alivio, John Angelo Duremdes, Jomer Esplana, AJ Bacuna, and special thanks to Miss Alicia Avila and Miss Jillian Pascual. Thank you.
Yes, thank you so much po. And Strong, anything to say? Final before we go?
Okay, so yeah, just give everybody your respect and talk to everybody. Everyone has their own story, so if
Yeah.
you have an issue with them, just yeah, talk it through.
Well, thank you, Ma'am Che, for having me here.
Thank you so much, Miss Marilu Lau. Thank you so much, Ezekiel. Thank you so much, Strong. And of course, ayan nga pala, tungkol din sa mga grandparents natin, they have stories to tell. Sabi nga, desiderata, no?
Yeah.
Di ba, lahat na
Lahat.
mayroon pa rin sasabihin. Kaya minsan, kahit paulit-ulit na kwento, makinig lang tayo. It's not yung pakikinggan mo talaga na talagang take it here, kundi yung time na makinig tayo sa kanila is really very, very
Ano,
important.
may kasabihan, di ba? Yung papunta ka pa lang,
Ba-
pabalik. Ano yung
Oo.
pabalik na sila?
Oo, sinabi naman sa inyo yung papunta, yes, pabalik na sila. So yung mga sinasabi nila na pabalik, habang pabalik sila ay pakinggan natin yun. These are
Yeah.
words of wisdom, no?
Mm.
And naalala ko tuloy, everyone, yung verse mo no? Philippians 4:13. Philippians 4:13 says, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. This is Cherry Marianas Dermal saying, from the heart for the soul, with open hearts, honest talks, love in every story, here on Heart
Heart
Talk.
Talk.